Alright, I'm kind of sort of back, Gonna go eat dinner in a few minutes. This is gonna be about a 15-minute video. I have to apologize for my last one. I get into the game and I forget to talk. I'm still working on this. It's gonna get better. See, I still have teeth. Reference video 1 and 2. Alright, where was I going? Oh yes. I just turned off the power for the production line. So, I'm like pardon me. A hero and a wonderful guy. Now. Because I, did that. So, what am I supposed to do now? Go to power cable. I've been going to the power cable for like an hour and a half. Oh, jeez. I heard you guys fly in.
Cask of whoop ass.
Yes, what you said. 6.06 million. Oh, hey. You die. You die. You can blow up away from me because I don't want you blowing up around me. Period. $6.26 million. Okay, I got like a lot of SMG ammo. What am I low on? Let me look down here, follow the little arrow. I'm pretty much up on everything. Hit a couple grenades. I don't really need to be opening all these cases and wasting it, but am I really going to be coming back? That's the question. Should I just go ahead and open them because I'll never come back here? I don't know. But that's all part of the fun, isn't it? Okay, power cable over there. Where? What is that recurring tone? Bum, 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 bum. Alright, apparently I can't get through here. That's annoying me. Alright, I've killed a bunch of crap here already. You're gonna make me kill more. Not that I don't enjoy killing, because I do, I'm a white heterosexual male. Of course I enjoy killing. If you listen to the popular media of the day, but who the hell does, because they're all asshats. But, let's see. I mean, I love me some fun weapons, but I got nothing like this. Oh man, if I could have elemental weapons and go to the range, talk about being the envy of everybody. Literally everybody. Okay, well, I'm sorry. I got all excited there. What was I doing? No, I'm looking for map, not that. Alright, so I gotta go around there and come back. Okay. Straight ahead and then bear left. Oh, hey. Of course there'd be endless amounts of you guys that I can obviously kill quite quickly, but just to put in my way. And of course there's no SMG ammo in there. Hey, what is that? Oh, that is so cool. Look, ammo crate. Didn't really need all that much of it. Hey, follow me. Get under that. Come on, thinking ahead. It helped a little bit. Too hot? Hey, how you doing? Alright, where am I going? I'm just having too much fun here. When you get a big enough shield and a good enough gun, and you're sitting here and you just don't give a shit. You're just like, yeah, okay, go ahead, shoot me. because we know it's not going to make any difference anyway.
Stay down, scrub.
Ooh, look at you. You're a badass. Yay!
There's my next kill.
Alright, $6.35 million. Got me up to 6.62. Oh, you guys, I hate you. Oh, hey. What's going, Ralph? I don't know. You look like you should be named Ralph. What are you, Ralphist? You don't like the name Ralph?
Moxie, ran into another force field. How can I get
Oh.
past it?
I'm sorry, Sugar. There's nothing on the map. Maybe you can shut it down some other way.
You're a badass, but you're still dead. Look at all that money I left behind. I don't know why I need all the money. I just like it. Kind of like real life. Well, because I don't have any in real life. And I want it. I want it. You know, I don't care about money. It's the stuff. And I forget which comedian that was that 12,000 hips and health centers. Kind of sort of want that, but 12,000 versus 11,000. Yeah, you know, screw it. I got enough. Let me go get some cash. Bing. 6.71. Am I gonna hit 7 on this one? Oh, so close. So close. Almost 7 million. Money, money, money. Money. Yeah, I can't sing. It's a real good song. And it's not by me. Destroy generator with explosive barrels? Wait. How am I supposed to get explosive barrels? Look at me, I'm whining into a computer screen. Where you guys are supposed to, you know, I'm trying to make you like me. And here I am whining. That doesn't make any sense. No. Alright. Enough of that. What am I doing here? Apparently it's over here. I'll go over here and I'll see what I gotta do. And it's up. Of course it's up. It's always up. Whatever route I choose, it's always up. Alright, this was about a 15-minute video. I hate to change it again, but I'm going to. Okay, so this is video number 3412 or 6. I'm not sure. I'm just starting out and I'm posting videos. These are all still my early videos. I'm going to go back into a full playthrough of Borderlands 3. Not yet. I'm playing through the DLC. Just trying to get all my sound settings down and see if I even have a fucking personality anybody wants to sit through. So, anyway. Pause. Let me see. This is where I go. Look. Pause there. Go over to the second screen. Hit the BRB screen. And then I mute the microphone. And pause the video. That's what I'm going to do. Love ya. BoomerScott out for a few minutes and get off of my lawn. Yeah.